Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Azure AD for SaaS apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating Microsoft Azure Active Directory for SaaS applications, begin by logging into the Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section from the left-hand menu. In the Azure Active Directory panel, select the App Registrations option. Click on the New Registration button to create a new application registration. In the registration form, provide a name for your application. Select the supported account types that best suit your needs. For the redirect URI, choose the type of application you are developing. After filling out the necessary fields, click on the Register button. Once the application is registered, you will be redirected to the application's overview page. Now, take note of the application, client, ID and the directory, tenant, ID, as you'll need these later. Next, go to the Certificates and Secrets section on the left side. Click on the New Client Secret button to generate a new secret key. Provide a description for the secret and set its expiration period. Once created, copy the client's secret value immediately, as it will not be displayed again. The next step is to set up API permissions. Navigate to the API Permissions section. Click on the Add a Permission button. Choose the type of API that your application will need to access, typically Microsoft Graph. Select the permissions your application requires from the available options. After selecting, click the Add Permissions button. Now, it's important to grant admin consent for the permissions. You can do this by clicking the Grant Admin Consent for your organization button. Once the permissions are set, proceed to configure the authentication settings. Go to the Authentication section and review the redirect URIs to ensure they are correct. If needed, select the option for ID tokens if your application supports them. Next, save all the changes you have made in the authentication settings. You are now ready to implement authentication in your application. Use the provided application ID, tenant ID, and client secret to configure the authentication flow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.